Hello everybody, welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial or how-to, whichever you prefer to call it. So today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short using DaVinci Resolve. So instead of having to do this on your phone and then editing it on your phone and then uploading it to the YouTube app, we can just use DaVinci Resolve to do this instead. So the first thing you're going to do once you've got a new project open is you're going to press File and then we're going to hit Project Settings. Then the timeline format, which is under the master settings, where it says for blah 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 processing, we're going to change that to 1080 by 1920 instead of the reverse. The next thing you're going to notice when you click off this is use vertical resolution. We'll tick. That's no problem. Hit save. Now we're ready. We're just going to go into the edit scene. I'm going to import a video and then we're going to see what happens next. So I've just got a video here. It's a little drone video I took. Now this is going to ask you, do you want to match the frame rate to the project? I'd recommend saying yes. You don't have to change it, but if you want it to play at the correct, like frames per second, the video is playing at on the timeline, you want to do it. So then I've got my video here. So all I'm going to do is drag it into the timeline. So I've got it into the timeline, and as you can already see, it's already looking like a short. Now, if, say, it is off or it's not angled correctly, we go over to the video, and as you can see what I was just doing then, the zoom, ignore that, unless you want to zoom in and zoom out on the actual clip, and then you've got position. So this is going to be how you can move it. So you've got the x-axis and then you've got the y-axis, so up and down, left and right. So you can kind of configure it to be in the correct position for you. Now, what I am going to say, obviously there's no way of putting music on the video unless you do it in DaVinci Resolve. It's very self-explanatory, but just point it out there. If you want audio on the video, you're going to have to add it in DaVinci Resolve instead of being able to do it through the YouTube app. Secondly, make sure your video clip is under 60 seconds, otherwise YouTube will not recognise it as a short. Once you've rendered the video out, all you need to do is hit upload on YouTube, and there you go, it'll recognise it's a short. It does help sometimes if in the description you type in #shorts, but usually you don't need to do that. So it's a very quick tutorial, not really a lot to it, but it's as simple as that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.